Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tashana Kiana. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. You're going to need some Eco Style gel and some rubber bands. So here I'm just putting some Eco Gel all around the perimeter of this section. And I'm just going to work it through and apply some water. So I already went ahead and did that first flat twist, and I'm parting sort of at a diagonal. So you're going to take some more product and work it through and just make sure that it's thoroughly detangled. You're going to flat twist that small section and then secure it with a rubber band when you're done. So I did a total of 4 flat twists on the other side, and here I am repeating the same steps. I'm going to make sure I put Eco Gel on the perimeter of the hair and then work it through and spray it down with some water and then start parting for my flat twist. So here basically I'm just using the shingling method and I'm smoothing down the strands of the ends of each twist. And y'all know I cannot forget my edges. I'm taking my two-sided edge control brush, and I'll link it in the description box below where I got it from. So I'm going to let my hair air dry for at least an hour or two before I go to bed. So this is the very next day and my hair is not completely dry at the roots yet, but these are the finished results. And you can leave it like this, but I chose to add some gold accessories. And this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.